Hello students, welcome to new chapters. Our today's chapter is 6 fun with gifts and give and take. It is very important worksheet for your exam, so let's start one by one. Question number 1, there are 27 girls and 25 boys in class 3A. Guess the total number of the students in the class. We need to find out the correct answer. Here is written less than 50, more than 50, more than 60 and exact 50. Actually we need to plus 27 and 25. It is 52. So the answer is more than 50. More than 50. Okay. Then question 2. There are 44 apples and 55 guavas are in a basket. Guess the total number of fruits in the basket. Till less than 100, more than 100, more than 200 or exact 100. So we need to find out at first 55 and 44. It will be 99. So it is less than 100. Okay. Then question number 3 and another we need to solve one by one. Student, at first write the question and then solve with me. And if you are new in this channel, you can subscribe the channel so you can got all the class up to date time. Okay. Question number 3. A building has 600 rooms and every room has 2 doors and 3 windows. Can you guess how many total doors are in the building? Student, it is very easy. We need at first 600 into 2. It is 1200. So it is more than 1000. It is more than 1000 is correct answer. Okay. Then our next question will be a building has 600 rooms. Okay. So it is related to this one, I think. And 3 windows. Can you guess how many total windows? So 600 into 3 again we need to do. Then 0, 0 and 3, 6 is 18. So 1800. It is less than 15,000 or more than 105,000. Yes, it is more than 1500 because it is 1800. Okay. Then what about the question number 5? We need to find out what is the total of doors and window in the building. Okay. So at first we need to find out the windows. So according to question number 3, the door will be 1 to 1200 and window is 1800. So what will be the total? 0, 0, 8 to 0, then then 3. So 3000. The option 3000 is correct answer. Student, I request to please do carefully because math is very important. Okay. If you write wrong any one one number, it will be wrong. Okay. Then question number 6. A garden has total 320 plants. Out of this 150 are roses and another are marigolds. Can you get number of marigolds? It is very easy. We need to minus total from 150. So it is 0, then 5 and 12, it will be 7 and we have 1, then 3 minus 2, that means 1, then 170. So 170 is correct answer. Okay. Then our question is 7. A bus has 32 seats. How many passengers can accommodate in 10 such buses? Okay, it is very easy. If 1 is 32, then 10 is we need to multiply, then 3 to 0. Okay, so option 320 is correct answer. Okay. Then question 88. A balloon seller has 1500 balloons. He sold half of this evening. Now he has dash balloons with him. We need to divide it with 2 because it is written half. So 7 is 14. Then we have on, here is 0. 7 5 is 10. Okay, here is also 0. So in 2 here is 0. It is answer is 750. But where it is written 750? Here is written 750. Option 8. Yes, here is written 750. Okay. Then question 9. A box has 64 biscuit packets. Calculate biscuits packets in 9 such boxes. It is also need to multiply 64 into 9. How many? 6, 9, 4 9s are 36. Then we have 3. Okay. 6 9s are 54 and 3. 57. So total how many? 576. 576. Where it is written? It is not written properly, but it is our answer. 640 minus 64 equal to 576. Okay. Then question number 10. A pen cost rupees 19. Okay. Calculate cost of 5 pens. It is also need to multiply. Okay. So 9 5s are 45. That means 5. We have 4. 5 and 5 and 4 is 9. So total answer is 95. So here is 95. It is not written properly, but it will be 95 because 100 minus 5 is 95. Okay. Then question 11. In a shop, 10 bags have 550 kg of grain. Calculate the weight of grain in 8 bags. Okay. We need to multiply again. Okay. Because we need to find out the 8 bags. So 10 bags have 550 kg of grain. So how many? At first we need to find out the 1. Okay. So 550 divided by 10. How many? It is 5, then 0, then 5, 0, 5. So 1 bag is 55. So how many? 8. So we need to multiply now 55 into 8. So 5 8 is the 40, 0. We have 4. 5 8 is the 40 and 4. Then that means 440. So where is this option? Here is not direct option. Here is written 550 minus 110 means 440. Okay. Then question 12. Student, when you done this, be careful because it is very tough also. Okay. Question 12. Calculate 70 times 5. Very tough and very easy also. 70 into 5 we need to do. 7500. Then 7 5s are 35. Where is it is written? It is written. We need to find out how many 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 here is written. Okay. Then question 13. Which is equal to 6 to 8? 6 to 8 means 600, then 20, then 8. Okay. So here is written. It is not written here properly. But our answer where? Our answer is 1000 minus 372 because it means 628. Okay. Then question 14. Which number is equal to 477 plus 433? We need to multiply. It is very easy. it means we need to find out, it means 910. Okay, 910, but it is not written here 910. Here is written 1000 minus 90. This option is correct answer because it means 910. Okay, then question 15, which number is equal to 2 times 650? It is very easy. 650 into 2, we need to find out 0, 5 to the 10, 0, on, 6 to the 12, and on is 13. Then where is written here? It is not written here also, but 50 plus 1200, 1200 plus 50, it is correct answer. Okay, because it is meaning on 100, 1300. Then what about question number 16? Let's see. Sugar is available at rupees 42 per kg. 1 kg 42 rupees. We can have dash kg sugar of rupees 100. Okay. So 100 divided by 42, how many? It is more than 3 kg, more than 2 kg. Yes, answer is more than 2 kg because if 1 is 42, so what about 2? 2 means 2 to the 4, then 4 to the 8. So 2 kilo for 84 rupees. But we have 100. So we easily get more than 2 kg. Okay. Then salt is available at rupees 17 per kg. We can have dash kg salt of rupees 100. Same to same question. If 1 kg is 17, so how we have 100 rupees. Yes, we have 100 rupees, so we can get more than 5 kg. Why? Because let's see, 100 divided by 17. Okay, so we written 5 7s are 35. Then we have 3, 5 and 5, 85. So how many? 15. So we will got 5 kg and we have also 15 rupees. So another लगभग 800 gram. So it is more than 5 kg. Option, this option is correct answer. Okay, then 18 question. If we divide 8000 by 5, we will get. If we divide this, how many we get? We will get 100, 600. How many? We need to find out. 8000 divided by 5. Divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. Then we have 3, 0. 6 5s are 3, 0. Then we have double 0 here also. Okay. Then question 19. If we multiply 175 by 3, we will get how many? We will get 525. But how? It is not written here. At first on 75 multiply 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 we have on. 7 3s are 21. We have on. Then 2 3 is a 3. 3 25. No, we have 2, so 5 25. So here is written 525. It is not written here, but we need to find out on 75. Where is written 525? Yes, this answer. This answer is correct. Okay. Then question 20. Subtract 213 from 5000. It is answer will be more than 6000, more than 5000, more than 7000 and more than 4000. It is more than 4000 answer. How? Let's check. 5000 divided 13, 3 10 7, then on 2 2 10 8, then on 3 3 10 7. Okay, and then here is 4. So 4187, that means more than 4000. Okay students, so this all for today's class. This is very helpful for your study. So be careful, practice more and more. We will meet our next class. Thank you all of you.